At Manscaped, we know everything there is to know about balls, so we made a device for the biggest ball of them all, your beautiful bald head. This is the Dome Shaver Pro. Let go of your hats, we're in for a smooth ride. The Dome Shaver Pro is made to work wet or dry. Now that you've prepped, remove the protective cap and press the power button to turn on the Dome Shaver Pro. Grip your shaver in one of two ways. You can either hold it by the handle or palm the blade pad with your hand. Do whichever feels more natural. After all, it is your head. When you've found the sweet spot, gently glide the shaver across your head, making both straight and circular movements until you find your bottom line. And don't worry about those random bumps and potholes. Flex Adjust technology keeps all 5 blades in close contact with the scalp, flexing and adjusting as a unit to the unique contour of your head. Repeat as often as needed to make sure your bald never fades. To clean the Dome Shaver Pro, first turn the device off. Open the hair chamber by detaching the blade pad from the hair chamber. It's magnetic and should pop off easily. With everything detached, shake everything out of the hair chamber, then rinse the device and rotary blades under the faucet. Shake off the excess water and lay both pieces out on a small towel to air dry. To reattach the blade pad, align the blade pad with the hair chamber and they'll magnetically attach. Power off the Dome Shaver Pro and use the only plug you'll ever need. The included USB-C cable will bring you to full charge in about 120 minutes and give you 90 minutes of runtime at full charge. If you run out of juice early, your shaver only needs a 10-minute charge to get you through a quick shave. Now, when hair comes back, you'll be ready. The Dome Shaver Pro from Manscaped.